Hi there. Reviews are a very useful tool for measuring the customer's acceptance of our products. However, some stores might choose to disable their products' reviews, due to whatever reason. If your store has thousands of products on display, deactivating reviews product by product can turn into a nightmare. But don't worry, we got your back. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to bulk disable reviews to several products at once. All you will be needing will be the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which allows us to bulk edit products, quickly and with no fuss. You can download it from the link you will find in the description of this video. Once you open it, you will see this screen, very much like a normal Excel or Google Sheet spreadsheet. To begin with, we are going to open the bulk edit tool. In this box, let's select to search for the rows to be updated. A new window will pop on your screen. You can use these fields to filter your products with any term you might need, from specific categories, to attributes, and even variations. For this example, I'm going to deactivate the reviews from all the t-shirts. Once the search is complete, you will be back to the bulk edit tool. Move upward, and in this box enter enable reviews, so the plugin can know which column we are working with. Select set value from this menu. Let's leave this checkbox inactive. And hit execute now. Now the checkbox and the reviews column have been emptied, which means the reviews have been successfully deactivated. If you need to deactivate the reviews for the products uploaded by a specific vendor, the process would be quite simple. Head for the search tool here. In this box, input the name of your chosen vendor. I'm going to be deactivating the reviews from all the products uploaded by the vendor David. As you see, only the products uploaded by the selected vendor are being displayed on my spreadsheet. Move to the bulk edit tool and select to edit the rows from your current search. Here, enter enable reviews as the field to be edited. Set value. And leave this checkbox empty. This will replace the current active status in the reviews column. Now you can see that all the ticks are gone from the reviews column. If you need to deactivate the reviews from a certain category, head for the bulk edit tool and select this option. In the search tool, input your category here. I'm going to deactivate the reviews for the accessories category. When you are back to this window, enter enable reviews as the field to be edited. Set value. Make sure the checkbox is deactivated. And hit execute now. All the boxes will be empty, indicating they are now inactive. Okay, but what if I want to deactivate the reviews for a specific attribute of my products? No problem. Move to the search tool and enter the attribute you are looking for. Like all the products in black color. Once back to the spreadsheet, you will see the filter applied over here. Move to the bulk edit tool and choose to modify the rows from your current search. Input enable reviews. Select set value. Mind that the checkbox is not activated, or the process won't work. There, the black products have now their reviews successfully deactivated. Really quick and easy. Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.